Hey, everyone! Welcome back. And today we're diving into the world of flavors with a fantastic recipe. Homemade tomato gravy. If you're a fan of rich, tangy, and savory goodness, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. To start our tomato gravy, we'll heat a pan over medium heat. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's nice and warm, toss in finely chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté these until they're beautifully golden and aromatic. This forms the flavorful base of our tomato gravy. Adding tomatoes. Now, let's bring in the star of the show. Our fresh tomatoes. I've got about tomatoes here, diced and ready to go. The key here is using ripe, juicy tomatoes for that intense flavor. Drop these tomatoes into the pan and let them cook down. It's like magic. They'll start breaking down, releasing their juices, and creating that luscious base for our gravy. Seasoning. Time to amp up the flavor. Let's add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a medley of dried herbs. You can customize this to your liking. Give it a good stir and let those herbs infuse their wonderful aroma into the gravy. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Now, we play the waiting game. Let the mixture simmer on low heat. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld and intensify. Plus, it gives you some time to clean up the kitchen or prep other parts of your meal. Stir occasionally and keep an eye on the consistency. We're looking for a thick, hearty gravy. Optional additions. Here's where you can get creative. If you like it spicy, throw in some red pepper flakes. Want a hint of sweetness? A teaspoon of sugar does the trick. Customize it to suit your taste buds. Remember, cooking is an art. Feel free to experiment and make it your own. And there you have it. A mouth-watering homemade tomato gravy that's perfect for pasta, meat, or even as a dipping sauce. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining me today on. Until next time, happy cooking.